Hello everyone, today we've got another PlayStation 5 on the bench and this one refuses to power on. I always start with a thermal camera and as you can see it's picked up a bad capacitor right here, so let's swap this out for a working one and see if that solves the problem. It's crazy how such a tiny part can cause such a big problem. Using a thermal camera really helps. It saves a lot of time compared to probing around with a multimeter. It doesn't always show the fault, but it's a real time saver for spotting bad capacitors or failed IC chips, especially when there's no visibly burnt component. And here's the new capacitor installed. Let's give it a test and see if the PlayStation powers on. Okay, we've got some power. Now let's see if it goes to a white light and check if we're getting a signal. So far so good. Let's get it all back together and run a full test to make sure everything is working as it should. Let's test the disk drive as well, just to make sure that's all working properly. Everything looks good. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.